Is your bike feeling slower than it should? Hearing strange hub noises, or dealing with frustratingly slow engagement? The problem might not be your bike. It could be your hubs. The right hub can boost power transfer, improve control, and make every pedal stroke feel more responsive. In this video, we're counting down the 5 best bicycle hubs that can completely transform your ride. Let's dive in. Number 1. Novatec Bicycle Hubs D041 SB D042 SB. The Novatec Bicycle Hubs D041 SB D042 SB are a solid and dependable option for riders who want durability and smooth performance without spending too much. Designed mainly for mountain bikes, these hubs support disc brake systems and are compatible with HG cassettes from 8 to 12 speeds, making them highly versatile for different setups. One of the standout features is the steel-free body, which adds extra strength and helps resist wear over time, especially during heavy use. These hubs are available in multiple hole options like 28, 32, and 36 holes, giving flexibility for different wheel builds. They offer smooth rolling performance and consistent engagement, which is important for maintaining control on trails and rough terrain. The overall construction feels strong and reliable, making them suitable for both beginners and experienced riders. Overall, the Novatec D041 SB and D042 SB hubs are a practical and durable choice for anyone looking to upgrade their mountain bike hub system. Number 2. GOLDIX GDX 370 Bicycle Hub. The GOLDIX GDX 370 Bicycle Hub is designed for riders who want fast engagement and reliable performance on challenging trails. Built with sealed bearings and a 36-tooth ratchet system, this hub delivers quick power transfer and smooth rolling efficiency, making it a great choice for modern mountain biking. A key highlight is its center-lock disc brake compatibility, which allows secure and stable rotor installation for consistent braking performance. The sealed bearing design also helps protect against dirt and moisture, reducing maintenance needs and extending the hub's lifespan. This hub features a 32-hole J-bend design and boosts spacing, which improves wheel stiffness and overall riding stability. These features make it suitable for aggressive riding styles and rough terrain conditions. Its solid construction and responsive engagement system provide confidence during climbs and technical sections. Overall, the GOLDIX GDX 370 is a strong, modern, and dependable hub option for riders who want durability, performance, and efficiency in one package. Number 3. TANKE MTB 120 Click Hub. The TANKE MTB 120 Click Hub is built for riders who want fast engagement, strong performance, and a distinctive sound on the trails. Featuring a 6-pawl mechanism and 6 bearings, this hub provides quick power transfer and smooth rotation, especially during technical riding situations. One of its most noticeable features is the loud 120-click engagement sound, which gives it a bold and aggressive feel that many riders enjoy. Beyond the sound, the hub is designed for performance, offering reliable engagement and consistent operation during climbs and accelerations. It supports disc brake systems and comes in multiple hole options such as 28, 32, and 36 holes, making it compatible with various wheel builds. The multi-bearing design helps improve durability and smoothness, even under rough riding conditions. Overall, the TANKE MTB 120 Click Hub is a great choice for riders who want quick engagement, solid durability, and a unique riding experience with that signature loud hub sound. Number 4. ARC MT009 Bicycle Hub. The ARC MT009 Bicycle Hub is a versatile and performance-focused option designed for riders who need compatibility and smooth performance in one package. Built with a 6-pawl engagement system and sealed bearings, this hub delivers efficient power transfer and consistent rotation across different terrains. One of its biggest advantages is wide compatibility. It supports HG, MS, and XD free bodies, along with 8 to 12-speed drivetrains, allowing riders to use it with different setups. It is also available in 28, 32, and 36-hole options, making it suitable for various wheel configurations. The 6-pawl system ensures quicker engagement, which is especially useful for technical riding and sudden acceleration. Its sealed bearing design helps protect internal components from dirt and moisture, increasing durability and reducing maintenance. Overall, the ARC MT009 is a flexible and reliable hub that combines performance, durability, and compatibility, making it a great choice for mountain bikers who want a dependable and adaptable hub system. Number 5. KOOZER XM490 Pro Bicycle Hub. The KOOZER XM490 Pro Bicycle Hub is a well-designed and durable option that offers smooth performance and wide compatibility for modern mountain bikes. Built with a 4-bearing system and a 6-pawl mechanism, this hub provides stable engagement and efficient power transfer for everyday riding. One of its strongest features is its compatibility with multiple standards. It supports both quick release and through-axle setups, along with HG, XD, and MS FreeHub options for 8 to 12 speed drivetrains. This makes it suitable for a wide range of bikes and rider preferences. The steel shaft construction adds extra strength, while the sealed bearings ensure smooth operation and long-lasting performance. It is available in 28, 32, and 36-hole versions, allowing flexibility for different wheel builds. Overall, the KOOZER XM490 Pro is a reliable and versatile hub that combines durability, smooth performance, and compatibility, making it a strong choice for riders looking to upgrade their bike. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.